stop firing. I'm done. So if you will excuse me, I'm going to take my seat right now. This type of poem always causes me to break down. And I do that all by myself when I'm at home, and I don't need for y'all to be around. But before I go, I will say this. That when we grace the stage, I said when we grace the stage, and you ain't feeling us because we ain't your fucking fave, please be kind. This may be the only form of healing some of us will ever find. And although it may seem that our talent is part of some creative and poetic dream, what you will never see is our eyes pinned to the ceiling, asking the heavens to put a stop to this diabolical scheme and help us to realign. Because we need you to know it truly is a gift and a curse when we share with you our poetic mind. You know, poetry really is a cathartic experience, because it's a place where you can go and just be and not feel hindered, judged,
competition.
He was more intimidating than he is. He told me not nice. See, he had Riderz.